These are beautiful Anthurium plants. They are flowering plants, and this is one of the expensive plants also when you compare with the other indoor plants. So this is a beautiful indoor plant as well. Today I will be sharing with you top 5 secrets of how to grow these beautiful Anthurium flowers. So stay tuned to Tamara's garden. Once you get this plant from a nursery, do not be in a hurry to pot it, because keep it as it is for a couple of days, and after that do the repotting, because the plant should get used to the new environment. That is an important tip. Anthurium plants doesn't like the hot bright sunlight. We normally know other flowering plants, they need bright sunlight to flower. So this plant doesn't like that. They will grow really well in the partial to medium sunlight. So keep this in an area where it gets a partial sunlight or the medium sunlight for them to flower. So they do not need the bright sunlight. These plants are humidity loving plants, so keep the moisture always hydrated. You may spray the plant in the morning if you have kept it indoors, but if you have kept it outdoors, make sure during the hot summers to water them once in the morning and also once in the evening. So that you have to do the process, because these plants doesn't like the dry soil. Check the soil and water them, and do not overwater as well. So that is about watering. When you want to propagate this plant, you can divide and propagate when the plant is mature enough. So you'll have to wait for that for some time. After that, you can divide and make many free plants out of them. These plants you can grow in small pots, but after some time you will have to do a repotting for their better growth, because they need space to grow. But these plants will fit into small pots. When talking about fertilizers for these plants, when talking about fertilizers, you may use homemade fertilizers, especially if these plants are indoor plants, ornamental plants. So to keep them happy, you will have to give them nitrogen high fertilizers. Use tea and coffee fertilizer time to time, and also homemade fertilizers like vegetable fertilizer, vegetable peel fertilizer you may use. Cow dung fertilizer also a great boost for this plant, so you may use that as well.